How to appeal a banned Facebook account to revoke from your Facebook, step by step in this video. Follow the video till the end to know more about it. Step 1 is understand why it was disabled. Common reasons including violating Meta's advertising policies, repeated disapproved ads, unusual account activity or payment issues, poor user feedback or spam complaints. Check your account quality dashboard to specific reason. Visit Account Quality Center. Go to Account Quality, select the Disable Ad account in questions and review the violation details, and if eligible, click Request Review. Third will be submit your appeal. Click on Request Review or disagree with decision. Provide a polite professional explanation about why this was banned and this was not your mistake. Clarify you believe that accounts was flagged off in error. For example, I believe our account was disabled by mistake. We aim to follow all Meta policies and are happy to correct any uninstall violations. Please review our case. Check your support inbox. Go to Meta support inbox to view responses from the Meta team. Provide additional documents if requested. Monitor status updates. It may take about 24 to 72 hours or longer for Meta to be responded. Submit via Business Help Center. If you don't get a solution by that, simply reach out to the customer care service of Facebook or Meta Center. Thank you so much for watching this video.